the ultimate step-by-step tutorial for DIY anti-mosquito summer pants. Come make them with me. Get these materials ready. The patterns and elastic measurements are at the end of the video. You can just fold your fabric in half to cut both panels at once. Take one pant's leg with the wrong sides together, so a 0.5 centimeters seam. Trim the seam allowance down to 0.3 centimeters. Now, turn the pant's legs inside out. So another 0.5 centimeters seam. This way, there are no raw edges visible on the inside or the outside. Do the exact same thing for the other leg. Next, slip the inside-out leg into the right-side-out leg. Make sure to perfectly line up the crotch seams. Clip it in place. We can start sewing right from the center seam, then sew the other side. This keeps the crotch perfectly aligned. Just like before. Trim the seam allowance to 0.3 centimeters. Turn it inside out and sew a 0.5 centimeters seam. Doesn't that crotch seam look absolutely perfect? Now grab your waistband elastic and sew the ends together to make a loop. Fold the elastic to mark for equal quarter points. Make the same for marks on the waist of the pants. Draw a 1 centimeter guideline on the wrong side of the waist to help attach the elastic. Match the marks on the elastic to the marks on the pants, keeping the edge of the elastic right against your guideline. Make sure to sew point to point. This ensures the gathers will be perfectly even. Watching this come together is so satisfying. For the fabric, cotton gauze is definitely the best choice. It's lightweight, breathable, and won't make them sweat. The loose fit and gathered cuffs keep the bugs out while letting the kids move freely. Plus, the elastic waist makes them super easy to put on and take off. Even toddlers can do it themselves. Secure it with little clips. Stretch the elastic flat as you sew about 0.2 centimeters from the edge. Use the exact same method for the two leg cuffs. If you don't like the gathered look, you can just leave them as wide leg pants. Cute cartoons plus little florals. They look absolutely adorable and are perfect for wearing out. And about no more worrying about mosquito bites this summer. Homemade pants are just so comfortable and give you peace of mind. Let's take a look at the finished product. I made a whole bunch in one go. If you want to make these, you can reference the sizes I used for my kids.